Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we are talking about the cleaning tool that you have to have before spring cleaning is over, because it is going to cut your spring cleaning time in half, and that are these attachable brush heads for your drill. These are absolutely amazing. They come in a ton of different sizes depending on the type of package that you want. I have a link down below from Amazon for these. They are very inexpensive and they are a game changer. Today we're going to be showing you guys 6 different ways that I have started using these around my house. Spring cleaning, just regular cleaning, day-to-day cleaning, and I am never going back. I love these things. They are my new obsession. We're starting here in the bathroom with the hard water stains that end up in your caulk lines, around your faucets. Maybe it's soap scum, whatever it is, hardened onto toothpaste if you have little kids. It takes all of that out in seconds, no hard scrubbing, and you let the drill do all the work for you. We're moving on to my shower, where I do the same thing. Hard water stains on your faucets, on the caulk lines around your faucets, anything like that, very similar to the sink. These work amazing. You can use whatever type of cleaner that you like. I'm using my homemade vinegar sprays here. I love using them in my bathrooms. The vinegar plus the drill works really well on those hard water stains, these soap scum, and any type of just buildup that happens. I'm also using it on my shower walls here that got a little grimy, maybe some extra soap scum, whatever it is. These work absolutely amazing. Now we're heading into the kitchen, where we're going to be for the remainder of the video. We all know scrubbing the microwave is terrible, especially if you have something that accidentally explodes in there, or maybe you heated up something with red sauce and it ends up all over the microwave. That's what happened to me. I'm using my drill head. I'm switched to a smaller drill head size just so that I could get into all the nooks and crannies of the microwave, all the little crevices and all those little pieces. Went ahead and made sure I got the top of the microwave, rolled the lines of the microwave, and you can see just how amazing this worked with just my vinegar spray and the drill head. There was no scrubbing for me, and this took only seconds. We're going to go ahead and move on to my cabinets here, and this might be my favorite way that I used this. It worked really well to get into the lines or little crevices on my cabinets here that typically I would have had to go in with a toothbrush or a really small cleaning brush and scrub and scrub and scrub. This worked amazing. It got all of the dried on food bits with just the drill head, and I always followed it up with a wet washcloth just to get any residue or little food particles that were left behind off the drill off. And I also want to show you guys how easy it is to take these on and off. Just pull your little lever here, pop your bit in, and it works amazing. Super easy to switch them out. The other way I used it, and the last way I used it, was going ahead and clean my glass top stove. I'm always looking for different ways to clean my glass top, just to try different things, figure out what's the best. I do a lot of cooking from scratch, a lot of canning, and sometimes things spill, they can get dried on, and it can be really hard to clean it off the glass top. This worked really well. I kept that small drill head on, and it worked amazing once again for getting into the little lines and little crevices along the stove here where a lot of food can build up, and it worked absolutely amazing. I didn't have to scrub it. This is not fast forward. There's no cuts here, so you guys can see how quickly this worked. It got all the burnt on food off. Everything came up, and all I had to do in the end was take my wet washcloth and wipe it down. So that's why this is a spring cleaning tool you have to have.